What's going on, YouTube? Murdic back here, bringing you guys another video today in some random neighborhood. Just chilling. Excited to give you guys a new video today. This is another update video on my e90. A couple months ago, I actually hit the curb. No body damage at all. So I had to get this rim replaced, and I also had to get this rim replaced, but luckily those are a common BMW rim, so I lucked out, found a woman out in Pennsylvania. I actually have a YouTube video on me picking it up. Look at that deer over there. But nonetheless, this is just another update video. As you can see, I got some Murdic merch. I'm gonna put the link down below. It's gonna be on my Shopify. Help me guys out so much if you guys would, you know, support my YouTube channel by copping one. I also have a hoodie, and I have one in white and red on white t-shirt as well. So let's get into the video and let's go, boys. All right guys, back in the beam, looking very clean. Unfortunately, I'm missing the airbag right here, and my dashboard kind of looks like a Christmas tree, but there's no check engine light. Knock on BMW wood. But I am having issues with the, you know, the airbag light as well as the seatbelt sensor, and I don't have the TPMS sensors on these rims. But you know, like I said guys, this car is the ultimate driving machine. I love this car so much. I actually just copped the iPhone 12 as well, so this is gonna be a fun video, guys. I'm just gonna drive around and, you know, talk, and we're gonna have a great video. Haven't been posting as much. I just got back from a vacation, so to speak. Went to go see some family, and you know, had a good time. So I'm gonna post that as well. And let's see what this guy is doing. Was it 5:47? You know, we got that hour ahead, so the sun goes down a little bit later, which I like. Personally, I like, just because I have more time to make videos, and I feel like I just get more stuff done. But look at that truck. It's a cool looking truck. I think it's a little illegal that he has that thing, you know, can't even see in. I don't even consider that a tent. But anyways guys, we're having a good time. Was it 5:48? Some traffic on this road. I bet I'm getting some looks at like, what is this guy with a camera on his head doing? But you know, God, I love this car so much. Oh my God, that inline 6 is money. That's all I gotta say. Shout out to the engineers in Germany. I mean, this inline 6 they made, it's in a lot of BMWs actually. This N52 motor, I believe mine's the N51, but it's essentially the same thing. I believe mine is just actually the ultra low emission, whatever that means. A lot of aftermarket parts for this car, which makes it, you know, a pretty good entry vehicle if you're looking for a, you know, luxury car. I consider this a luxury car just because the suspension's so smooth, everything feels so tight. You can tell the materials in this car are very, you know, upscale. I also have to say, this car probably has one of the best speaker systems for the money in a car. I mean, I'm not even kidding with you guys. BMW did not skimp or, you know, short on the audio system. I've been in the E350, like W212, which is like the 2010 to like 2014. And yeah, it has Bluetooth and all that, but I swear, something like, the speakers are good, don't get me wrong, on the Mercedes, but like something about these BMW speakers, it just sounds more like crisp, more bassy, and like just overall a little bit better. But I mean, Mercedes is, you know, good as well, but I'm telling you guys, just hop in like a 3 Series, like one of these, and just crank your music all the way. It sounds so good. And the handling on this car is definitely one of the best in any car I've been in. I mean, you could do some like stupid, like, I feel like this is like almost on AMG level. I'm just trying to compare things. I haven't even driven the M car. I mean, the M car is probably like so insane. But this car is so fun to drive, guys. And I'm gonna keep posting it until literally the wheels fall off. I mean, I got 159,000 miles right now, 569. So I'm almost at 160,000 miles with this car. Unfortunately, I did do some damage to it. I believe I don't know what I did, but I did something to it. I had to replace the wheel bearing in the rear. I didn't have to replace the axle, but I did have to replace the wheel bearing and the steering knuckle in the back, which is, I believe, is made out of aluminum, so it bent, which caused issues with my alignment. But I got that all fixed. Thankfully, it wasn't too crazy, you know, to fix it. But man, this car has just been so much fun to drive. That's a nice Mercedes. I haven't driven that one yet. It just looks nice. Is that S-Class? Yep, S550. This area, I mean, I see so many of these 3 Series in this area. It's like a Corolla. But I was just down in South Carolina, and not that many Beamers. There actually was in the part I was, just because there was a dealership. But overall, there's not that many. But this car's been so much fun. I've actually been an owner of this car for 1 year now. I had to do a lot of maintenance, like little stuff. Gaskets. I replaced the oil filter housing gasket. I also have that video on my YouTube channel as well. Had to do a bunch of oil changes. Had to do some sensors. Nothing too majorly, you know, not like M3. I saw like the M3 of this car has like rod bearing knock, and you know, that's something I believe, you know, knock on wood, because I believe these N52 and N51s don't experience that. There is lifter tick, but that's just like a sound. It's not really anything with performance. But I mean, this car, even at 160,000 miles, still just punches it. And I have really nice options on this car. I mean, I got all-wheel drive, as well as these paddles. Oh my God. God, I love the sound. And that's no muffler delete at all. I mean, that's just what we're working with. And I mean, this car is just such a pleasure to drive. So make sure you like this video, guys. It helps my channel out. And like I said before, I have these t-shirts available. If you guys could help me out, you know, it will help with the videos as well, because I'm going to use that money to, you know, build my YouTube channel, get more ideas, get more great content. Soon I'm gonna actually be posting some really ridiculous content. I have a friend with an E63S. That's gonna be a great video. And also possibly a Tesla Plaid video as well. Be on the lookout, guys. Like I said, if you've not subscribed to my channel, I'm gonna be posting some really dope stuff. And you know, we're gonna have a great time. That's all I gotta say, guys. Great time. So yeah, ooh, gotta stop at the stop sign. This car is pretty heavy as well, but I mean, it still kicks. But I don't want to keep you guys too long. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys soon. Subscribe to my channel, check out my merch, stay tuned. Love you guys. Peace.